How to fix Clair Obscur Expedition 33 is crashing on Steam. First, you will need to right-click the game in your library and open up the Properties window, and then in General tab under the Launch option box, you want to type -dx11 and then go to the Installed Files tab from the left panel and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for this process to finish checking. And once it's done, you want to make sure to update your GPU as well. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you will need to have NVIDIA app installed on your PC. You can look it up on the browser and download it. It's very easy. And then go to the drivers tab from the left side. Click on Game Ready Driver. Check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. You can also try to perform a fresh reinstall if it's causing issues and if you have the latest version already installed. And the last thing you'll need to do is to install the redistributables. So you will need to open up a new tab and then search for redist. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table and download the 86 version and the 64 version, both of these. Download and install them. You should also try to install both of them without restarting immediately, because when you finish installing it will suggest you to restart, so you can choose to restart manually later. And if you finish installing both of these, you should basically reboot your computer from here. And once it's restarted, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. You can look up Steam, right click and run as admin, and then you can simply launch the game again, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.